Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change country in Google Play Store. First, you'll have to go and open your Play Store on your phone. Then click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Now click on Payments and Subscriptions. Then go to Payment Methods. And now you will have to click on More Payment Settings. Click on the Google icon or any browser that you like to choose. And now you will have to log in using your Google account. So click on your profile on the top right corner. Choose the same account that you are using on Play Store. It will jump you directly to the Payments Center. If you cannot actually find this page, you can simply search for payments.google.com. Then you should click on the top left corner on these three horizontal lines. Then click on Settings. Now you will have to scroll down till you find here this option, Country and Region. Just click on this pencil icon beside it. Then click on Create New Profile and click on Continue. And after that, you can simply add any region that you actually need. Then click on Continue and you will be able to add the new country. So I'm going to click on Continue, and here you have it. You have a new country region changed. And that's pretty much it. Please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.